Dentists want to know where they should open their location, and specifically for startup dentists, this article will change your perspective. I just got my newest copy of Dental Entrepreneur magazine. My latest publication was just released, and I'd like to share it with you here. You can get a copy just by clicking on the link in this video message. Click on the link, you can get a free copy. No catch, no gimmicks, but I want you to be able to get this. Check this out. It's the top 2 suggestions to save $500,000 in a startup location. So if there was a typo in this article, it's that it should say 500K, not 500, but that's probably my fault before we sent it to the editor. So we give real case studies in here. You can see pictures, photographs, examples. Here's the thing, in startup locations, you do not necessarily need the corner location, and we give case studies for that. We also show that you don't need the big signs. So some of this typical advice that you hear out there from the so-called experts does not need to be listened to, and you'll find out here in this latest issue. So kudos to the group at Dental Entrepreneur magazine, one of the best magazines for dentists who want to become practice owners with great advice. So thank you for all that you do in dentistry. Thank you for serving your communities the way you do, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Click on the link in this video so you can get your free copy. Thanks, take care.